केसरिया टेक्सटाइल एक लीडिंग टेक्सटाइल मैन्युफैक्चरर है जो आपको देगा सब कुछ, मेंस वेयर, वुमेन्स वेयर, किड्स वेयर में सब कुछ, जैसे साड़ी, कुर्ता, सूट, लहंगा, ब्लाउज, दुपट्टा, ड्रेस मटेरियल, बॉटम वेयर। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार का मतलब है लाभ।
सही दाम मतलब केसरिया।
केसरिया टेक्सटाइल की मुहिम है कि वो बनाएंगे आपको कपड़ों का कामयाब व्यापारी। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा हर टेस्ट का, हर फैशन का प्रोडक्ट एक ही छत के नीचे। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा वाइडेस्ट रेंज, उम्दा क्वालिटी, बेस्ट प्राइस, ट्रांसपेरेंट व्यवहार और इफेक्टिव आफ्टर सेल सर्विस। अगर आपकी शॉप है, बुटीक है, आप घर से कपड़ों का व्यापार कर रहे हैं तो केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपकी मदद करेगा आपके व्यापार को दुगुना, तिगुना या फिर चौगुना करने। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार करके कपड़ों के कामयाब व्यापारी बने।
So guys, in today's video I'm gonna introducing some of the unique collections in dupatta wear, guys. Yeah, you're gonna be seeing in video like some of the beautiful unique collections, in particular sequence work, also Nazmin kind of concepts, and these kind of the beautiful heavy Banarasi bridal wear collections also you're gonna be getting, guys. See guys, in this concept you're gonna be getting, and apart from that guys, many of the varieties will be there. On that varieties, particular you have to visit. Yeah guys, I'm telling on my opinion, but you free to place your order in the form of online medium also. But I'm saying that in today's time, when you visit our company, when you visit visually, and then practically you will be come in our company, and then you're going to be noticing that what will be the fabric you're going to be getting, guys. Yeah, what will be the fabric, how many designs you're going to be getting, that kind of the, and how many departments we are having, all these kind of the details you want to be getting in our company, guys. So in my hand, first of all, collections you're going to be getting, guys, these kind of the beautiful threaded work you're going to be getting, guys. And apart from that, many of the concept, like in these kind of the fully sequenced work also you're going to be getting, guys. See, in these kind of the threading tassels work also you're going to be getting, and these kind of the beautiful sequenced work also you're going to be getting, like see, in these kind of the beautiful concept, all the way from beautiful varieties you're going to be getting, guys. See, in these kind of the concepts you're going to be getting. Apart from that, golden jaried work also you're going to be getting, these kind of the threading tassels. See guys, next variety I'm going to showcasing you like beautiful some of the mirror work or that kind of the sequence work you want to be getting, like in these kind of the variety. See guys, fully you want to be getting, like let me remind you guys, single piece will not be delivered, you have to purchase in a set wise. Like in each set there will be 6 to 7 different color shades, 10 pieces or 20 pieces you will be getting in all around about our product. And apart from that, these kind of the beautiful mirror work kind of concepts also you're going to be getting, guys. See, beautiful mirror work kind of concepts. And apart from that, in this also, like I'm mentioning some of the unique concepts, like see, in these kind of the scarf kind of concepts also you're going to be getting, guys, with the silver jaried work you're going to be getting with the lining concept, guys. See, and apart from that, like I told you, like in these kind of the beautiful occasional wear kind of concepts also you're going to be getting, like these kind of the threading work, like beautiful upon the fabric of network you're going to be getting. See how beautiful design going to be done here. And apart from that, guys, you want to be noticing some of the beautiful stone work also very highly derived here, in which these are the some of the concept and standard we are maintaining in our company. In this kind of concepts you want to be getting all the premium designs only, guys. Yeah, I mentioned some of the premium designs, like previously I said, these kind of the beautiful Banarasi silk kind of beautiful dupattas are also you want to be getting. These all are wear upon some of the typically half sarees lehenga, guys. Yeah, on the half sarees lehenga or on some of the beautiful kind of concepts, like these kind of the variety, guys. See, many of the concepts and varieties you want to be mentioning, like see guys, these kind of the beautiful concepts, in particular scarf kind of concepts also you want to be mentioning. See, next varieties I'm going to showcasing you. See, next variety I'm going to showcasing like these kind of the beautiful fabric. Talking about the fabric, guys, georgette, chiffon, that kind of the fabric you want to be getting. And apart from that, In these kind of the beautiful concepts also you're going to be getting. See how beautiful is what this. Like let me remind that, let me give some of the sets I have to mention. Like these kind of the sets you're going to be getting, guys. Like see, on the fabric of the georgette, I showed some of the previous concepts. In these concepts you want to be getting in these kind of the varieties also. And apart from that, if you are having all the regional taste and state kind of concepts like Gujarati, Rajasthani, Maharashtrian, Punjabi, Haryana, all the regional beautiful state dupatta taste you want to be get at under one roof, guys. So no need to go 10 to 15 different shops there. Like see, in these kind of the beautiful jaried work embroidered kind of concepts also you're going to be getting in particular beautiful dupatta also. And apart from that, many of the concepts I'm showed here in my bag, you're going to be noticing some of these kind of the beautiful concepts in the bandhni wear also you're going to be mentioning. And let me remind you, like in these kind of the concepts you're going to be getting in some of the beautiful jaried work also, guys. See, all the beautiful pattern will be same, but the designs and colors you want to be getting will be different. That's what I'm telling you, guys. Like no need to go 15 to 20 different shops. Just visit once in a while Kesaria Textile Mega Mart. Yeah, guys, I'm using the word Mega Mart because in today's time there will be you're not getting all the varieties. Like ladies wear 20 to 25 different ladies wear variety, and apart from the kids wear collections, men's wear like night suits, all the varieties you will be get at under one roof, guys. Yeah, there will be not getting enough headache to go different shops, 15 to 20 different shops. Just visit once in a while our company, guys. That's what I'm telling you. And guys, talking about the price ranges, I showed many more time. I repeat those words, like these kind of the barcode system we are providing in Surat, guys. In Surat, we are the only one who start first these kind of the barcode system kind of concept, guys. Yeah, it's gone off the fact, guys. In Surat, particularly in the sarees textile industry, we are the one who start these kind of the barcode systems. Like, guys, yeah, we are saying like there you either you will be the wholesaler, retailer, or the trader, whatever you are. For all those, the range will be the same, guys. So no need to go, no need to hesitate. Just visit once in a while Kesaria Textile Company. So guys, in this video, that's all. Please give your precious opinion, reviews or feedbacks in our comment section. Till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.
केसरिया टेक्सटाइल की मुहिम है कि वो बनाएंगे आपको कपड़ों का कामयाब व्यापारी। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल से जुड़िए अगर आप एक्स्ट्रा इनकम चाहते हैं। आप नौकरी करते हैं, आप हाउसवाइफ हैं, या आपकी दुकान है, या कोई बुटीक चलाते हैं, या फिर रिटायर्ड पर्सन है, अगर आप व्यापार करना चाहते हैं तो केसरिया टेक्सटाइल से जुड़िए। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल एक लीडिंग टेक्सटाइल मैन्युफैक्चरर है जो आपको देगा सब कुछ, मेंस वेयर, वुमेन्स वेयर, किड्स वेयर में सब कुछ, जैसे साड़ी, कुर्ता, सूट, लहंगा, ब्लाउज, दुपट्टा, ड्रेस मटेरियल, बॉटम वेयर, सब कुछ। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा हर टेस्ट का, हर फैशन का प्रोडक्ट एक ही छत के नीचे, ताकि आपको अपना व्यापार करने में आसानी हो। स्वयं का व्यापार कीजिए, एक्स्ट्रा इनकम ही नहीं, बिल्कुल एक असली सफल व्यापारी की तरह, ताकि आप दाम और दाम दोनों कमाएं। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा वाइडेस्ट रेंज, उम्दा क्वालिटी, बेस्ट प्राइस, ट्रांसपेरेंट व्यवहार और इफेक्टिव आफ्टर सेल सर्विस। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार करने का मतलब है स्काई इज द लिमिट। कम से कम लागत और कम से कम समय में ज्यादा से ज्यादा मुनाफा कमाएं केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ। अगर आपकी शॉप है, बुटीक है, आप घर से कपड़ों का व्यापार कर रहे हैं, तो केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपकी मदद करेगा आपके व्यापार को दुगुना, तिगुना या फिर चौगुना करने में। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के प्रोडक्ट और कपड़े अगर आप बेचेंगे तो आपके ग्राहक होंगे खुश और संतुष्ट। यदि आप केसरिया टेक्सटाइल्स के साथ व्यापार करना चाहते हैं तो उन्हें फोन कीजिए या फिर विजिट कीजिए केसरिया टेक्सटाइल की सूरत मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट पर। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार का मतलब है लाभ। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार करके कपड़ों के कामयाब व्यापारी बनिए।
सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया। साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम